Alright, my YouTubers still with me. Got another one with y'all to share right now. We got the Glenlivet Nadurra. Now, the average price on this bad boy, we're talking $91, somewhere in that range. This is before taxes hit. Just call it somewhere between maybe $85 to $100, depending upon your area. And this Glenlivet, it's a little pricey, but it's not all that bad. You see the little cardboard box, so it can't be that bad. I mean, $100 a bottle, yeah, it's a little pricey, but you know, it's the Glenlivet. And the definition for the Nadurra is natural. So without further ado, let me go ahead and pull this bottle out here for you. And here is your Glenlivet Nadurra. 61.5% alcohol. Batch number on there. Bottle and calf strength. Bottle 10-15. So you got at least 5 years on there. I got a couple more Glenlivets I'm gonna show y'all at some point. If y'all got any particular one in mind, y'all let me know in the comment section. And man, just hit that like button and subscribe, man. I appreciate everybody doing that. So, well, the couple people that I do got. Anyway, always hit that like button and subscribe. Watch all the videos. Like them. Love them. Thumbs up. Alright, I'll get back to work and I'll find something else for y'all. Glenlivet Nadurra.